Okay, so let's talk about problem. So, minsan, pinapa-experience sa atin yung problema. It is because meron siyang pinapahiwatig na dapat mong matutunan. So, pag may problema ka, 'di ba? What will you do is kailangan mo maghanap ng solusyon to solve it. Para pag na-solve mo 'yon, okay na yung lahat, 'di ba? So, like for example, nagka-problema ka kasi wala kang isasaing ngayon. So, mapapaisip ka ngayon, mapapaisip ka. So, ang gagawin mo, maghanap ka ng paraan para makapunta sa tindahan, para makabili ng bigas, para isaing. So, pansin mo yun. So, every time you face problems in life, just be thankful. Maybe, yan yung reason para mag-grow ka sa person. So, pag naka-experience ka ng problem, don't give up. Make it a stepping stone for you to grow. You know what? Money is, or yung cars, or yung achievement, is hindi talaga yung real success. The real success talaga is who you become. Kung sino ka after all. Kasi yung money, yung car, yung achievements mo is byproduct na lang yan ng mga kaalaman mo, yung mga naging knowledge mo, mga naging skills mo, mga natutunan mo. So, mahalin mo yung problema. So, the moment you encounter problem, kailangan nag-isip ka ng positive side. Nag-isip ka na, okay to kasi pinapagaling ako, kasi pinapalakas ako, kasi pinapag-grow ako as a person. So, that's why you have to love the problem. So, right now, every time you face problem, find an opportunity to grow and to create skills or knowledge so that ma-execute mo yung problem na yan, so that ma-solve mo siya. Okay, so yun lang, and have a great day.